Oh, okay. I was about to look at my notes. I was about to, but just because of this one capitalize. 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 Okay, so right here, this is where creativity comes into place, and this is where creativity comes into place. Like, what kind of project do I want to do? Um, what am I writing? You know, I can't just type in. I have to have a goal. What do I want to do? What I can use. Like right here, I want to like right here. I want to like. Anyways, your first name is Byron. Blah blah blah. Correct. Capitalizes. Like I'm asking. Anyways, you're like I'm testing. Like what am I trying to create? Anyways, I need to delete while true, respectfully. Print ain't wrong. Well, let's just see. This is just practice. But look, if I don't put anything, well, look. First of all, look. Right, this is what we got to do. Look, this is what I got to do. So mood equals input. What's your mood? First underscore name. Wait, no. Son of a bitch. No, it's not like this, bro. Look, it's like this. Look. It's like this. Look. It's like this. Sad. Right? Byron. That's why it's important to study, bro. Hopefully this is right. If not, I'm a failure. Why are you sad? Anyways, your first name is Byron, correct? But yes, lowercase. Yes. Okay, Byron, what's your date of birth? And now it asks me that question. I'm gonna be like 07. I'm gonna be like 88 slash 77 slash 33. That's it. But basically, it did work. It did work. But anyways, this did work. Right now, I'm trying to invent something. Right now, like what can I invent? I'll just practice what I've learned. That's what I learned. Um, let me think. I learned this one. Import sys, and then print, right? And then I'm gonna print sys dot argv bracket 0. I'm gonna do print sys dot argv bracket 1. I'm gonna do the same print sys dot argv bracket 2. Then I'm gonna be like Python first dot py hello Byron. First dot py hello Byron 0 1 2. Right now, let's get out second. Let's get out the second one. Now let's do this. Now let's do import from first import. Look. Chicken's mother. Test. Right? So now look. If I do this, this is just what I've learned. Right? So if I do this, Python. Wait, I haven't ever done this, to be honest with you. look, first I'm gonna right now. Look, I'll obviously come. So look, Python first dot py. It's not gonna print anything because this function right here is not printed right here. See, nothing. But if I do it now, test, now it's gonna do it. Watch. Watch. But I have to look. Python first dot py hello Byron. Hello Byron. I did not mean to do that. Anyways, look. What if I do what if I do what if I do this? What if I eliminate it and I do Python first dot py? Hello Byron. I can't open file, blah, 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 blah. Right. So yeah. What if I do again? Python first dot py. Nothing. What if I do Python first dot py hello? Nothing. And now if I do test print, then if I do this first though, underscore name, underscore, right? And now if I do Python first dot py hello Byron main, see this one, main, print name, right? And now if I do this, back up, if I do if underscore name equals this is only going to print. This is only going to print if this right here, these two right here is only going to print if I say Python first dot py, right? But at the same time, the things that I've printed here doesn't make any sense. You see what I'm saying? Like it has to be Python first dot py hello world. Now it does, see? Right? So now let's say that import test. Right? Let's just say that. And now let's do now let's run second dot py. Okay, nothing. Oh shit. Right? But now if I do test right here, right? Python second dot py hw second dot py 1 0 1 2 0 1 2. That's going this way, right? But what if I do this? If I do this, if I do that, then this is going to print first. Watch. And you know what's going to do? This is going to print first.py right here. Why? Because it's getting printed here, but it's getting transferred over here. And it's going to, first this is going to print, and then this is going to print, right? And then it's going to go over here. And then this is like the tricky part. The tricky part. You know why is the tricky part? Because these two right here will only answer to like first.python, first.py. You know what I'm saying? Like look, Python. Let's do the first one. First.py. Epic fail. Wait, because I didn't do these two. Now if I do it again, can't see. Python first.py. Hello YouTube. All right, hello YouTube. Main first 012, right? Now if I go over here, if I import Python second.py hello world. Okay, so interesting. First. So right here, look. First, obviously, first, you went that way. First, second.py hello world, second.py hello world. Because this was also ran here. It's like this, it's like this gets printed, right? You know what I'm saying? Like this gets printed on this page. Well, from keyword from. But that's why we put these. That's why we put. I don't know how that guy does it. That's why we put these. So all that information does not come with us, you know? So it stays. You know what I'm saying? So it doesn't call these. So now if we do Python second.py hello world. See? Now is that. Yeah. So basically that's it. That's what I learned. Yep. That's what I've learned. And I'm still learning. And what else did I learn? I forgot. Assert in test.py. I learned how to use assert in test.py. I'm gonna see if I can remember how to make a loop, like how to use the while. Right? I'm gonna do def math question other one. Right? And I'm gonna do x equals input int. While true. It's because I just need to know when and where. Consistency in practice, man. X equals int input. You gotta look at life without fear. Simple math. Right? Y equals int input. Right? if, right now you got to put F, if X equals, if 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 X, I don't know what I'm doing, equals right, while true. Shit, I forgot. Z equals 10 divided by 2, 5, and then 5 times 4, 20. If Z equals 20, if Y equals 20, print correct. Break. Else continue. Okay. First one up. Let's get it. Hola. Hola pues. You know, you got to look at life without fear and always trust in yourself. 5, 20. Correct, right? So now look. Let's do it again. Python first dot py 5. X equals 5. What's 5 times 4? 25. What's 10 times? Wait a second. Right? So look. This is what you do. You copy this. You copy, right? You delete it. Then you bring it down. You paste it. And then you move these like that. And then you enter the right answer. And it does that. And now if we do it again, if we do 5, if X equals 5, what's 5 times 4? 21. If X equals 5, what's 5 times 4? We can do print wrong. Please try again. Right? 20. Correct. So now if we do it again, Python first dot py. Wait, Python first dot py 5 to 2. Wrong. Please try again. 21. No. 20. Correct. Right. All right. So now, while true, it's simple. It's so simple. It's about simplicity and readability. Reading, that's what I've been learning. So now, let's make this a little bit more interesting. Well, not overcomplicated. Let's not make this overcomplicated. What else have I learned? All right, let's go with for loops. Let's go with for loops. Right? Right. And then I think this is where if underscore name underscore main right, only like that. Now let's do this one, right? So now Python first dot py 520, correct. Let's do print underscore name. Right, so now, all right, now let's make a for loop. All right, let's make a list. Let's be like subjects, right? Reading. We're we're um we're just testing our knowledge. We're practicing school, right? So now nothing's going to be printed. So now if I do school, this is going to print. And before I tell you, it's going to print. You know what it's going to print? It's going to print reading, math, geometry. It's going to print it from. It's going to print it vertically from top to bottom. I hope so. So let's do Python second top high. See, from top to bottom, right? Now, if I want to add, I don't know, it's experimenting here. I'm not supposed to know everything. Like, what can I invent? There has to be something that I can invent. There has to be something that I can invent. Muy bueno para las cuentas. Toda la portada de libreta. Allá la lista negra. Pura morrita bien buena. Montan en mi camioneta. Los radios suenan y suenan. Pero yo siempre ando alerta. Moviendo. Okay. Enough with the BS. Let's go with import. Let's go with import. If this is illegal, let's import random, right? Now let's do random. No, let's make a list. We're going to be like numbers. And we're going to do brackets. Then we're going to do 1, 2. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to do random dot shuffle numbers. Print numbers. But to make this more organized, we're going to do def shuffle, right? Now we're going to do shuffle. But we got to add it up here, my friend, to this shuffle. Or we can do this. No, we can't. All I know is this. Body area. Should I get a body area? Yeah. Oh no. You better choose wisely. That's my heart. Damn. Whoa. Project X. Sustainable. I don't remember. Should I get a yeah. Oh no. No. Better choose wisely. Thought if I. Dun. Damn. Whoa. This ain't what you want. Choice. I don't know. Print. I forgot how to use this. No. Okay. Think, Byron. Think. Son of a bitch. Um. Hold on, hold up. Pi test. Second dot pi. Oh goddamn. Okie dokie. Print choice. First dot pi. 25 in shuffle. 3 in module shuffle. Print choice. Choice is not defined. Choice is not defined. So, ladies and gentlemen, so let's search our brain. Let's search our brain. Right? So here, so this is the problem, man. This is the problem. We're gonna delete this because the truth is we don't know how to fully use the word input or the statement, right? So I might be correct, but that's why, let's see. That's why we observe. So look, here it tells us again. Test session starts. Okay, one error. First.py choice is not defined. Choice, right? Okay. Numbers, right? Wait. Hey, I just wanna ah. Oh shit. I just wanna ah. Sorry, yeah. You better choose wisely. Thought the fuck. Damn. No! Son of a bitch, yo. Again, choice. No test ran. Alright, hold on. Shit, I never seen that one. First dot pi. Sorry, my. I don't know. No, I'm just kidding. Dude. Python first dot pi 4. Python first dot pi 5. Son of a gun. Pick the 20s, the 30s, the 40s. Python. Everywhere van de mirar con unos tenis Nike. Muy bueno para las cuentas. If sys.argv, if len if sys.argv print 1 equals number Okay, we're just making ourselves a bit complicated at this point. But let's try it no matter what. First, dot pi. Where's the number? No! Yes, thank you. 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 Ah. Just kidding. Number. Siete. 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 Just kidding. All right, let's see. Let's see.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you project, this ain't what you this ain't what you CC the guy. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. How the fuck you gon' kill my vibe? Stand on my, they don't know my side. Victim size, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
MC, make another hit.
This ain't what you project, this ain't what you this ain't what you pepper spray, bro. Damn, yo. Bro, we were right up there, though. That shit was crazy. Let's go, son. Bro, let me show you this shit. Oh, man, that shit does look nutty, bro.
All right, I'm done. I know I have a problem. I know, man. I have a freaking problem. I don't know what it is. I don't know, bro. But hold up. I don't know, man. Do I have a problem? I feel like damn. I'm just kidding. Bro, it's because I'm doing too much at this point. Look at this shit. Like this, mate. Look, this easy, bro. Look at this shit, dog. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. 16 o'clock. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, man. Calm down, brother. Whoa. I forgot. Print. I forgot. Holy cow, I forgot. I forgot. Nombre. Okay. Hold on. Shuffle. I forgot how to do this one. Shuffle. Choice. Shuffle. I forgot. Son of a gun. Son of a gun, yo. Choice, shuffle, import, random choice, shuffle. Shit, son of a gun. Choice, rand int. Rand int. How do I do it? Colors random dot choice. Anyways, let me go see what's up with it.